Hi, I'm Douglas Spotted Eagle with Sundance Media Group, and I'm really excited to tell you about this particular new product, or this product from Venom. This product from Venom is made for the Typhoon H, and we just received this the other day. We're going to go ahead and open up the box and share with you what this Venom charger brings to the table. So the Venom charger allows us to charge up 4 batteries simultaneously. Oh my gosh, so we've got an owner's manual and the power cord. And the nice thing about this particular charger, in addition to the fact that it allows us to charge 4 batteries simultaneously, is the fact that it also allows us to charge them, store them, and cycle them without having to do anything with the system at all. Now, one of the things that we do like about this particular system is the fact that it doesn't have a high power draw. It has its own built-in cooling system, which is really important when we're out here in Las Vegas. Now, we're frequently out in the field where we have to charge our batteries, and we can really only do that one of 2 ways. The first way is we can run it on an inverter coming from our vehicle, or we can plug into a generator system or some other type of off-the-grid powering system. And so we want a charger that is not going to use an awful lot of power. So this system is set up very cleanly because we've got our power fan intake right here, and then our power button is off to the side. Then we have our exhaust fans down on this side. As mentioned, the system is set up to charge, store, and cycle the batteries all in this one unit. Now, that's accessed to the various buttons on the front. So we've got a cycle button here, and we have a status button or storage button here. If you simply drop the battery into the charger, it's going to go through its charge process. So we'll just drop them in. I've got 2 more slots here because I want to tell you about something else that I'm very excited about. The same company manufactures their own power supply battery, or their own battery in the system. So this is the Venom battery for the Yuneec Typhoon H. Now, we've worked with these at a couple of different levels. Oh, the cut didn't work so well there. There we go. And one of the things that we've discovered about this particular battery that's in, again, the same housing, you'll just notice it says Venom instead of saying Yuneec on the back. These batteries last as long as the H520 batteries for the Yuneec H520 drone. So one of the great things about this particular battery is that it can be used in either the H520 or it can be used in the Yuneec Typhoon H. And with the Yuneec Typhoon H Plus coming, this will also work in the Yuneec Typhoon H Plus system. Now, here's the caveat. This charger will not charge the Yuneec H520 battery. It's a different pin configuration on the bottom of that battery. So we can use this to charge the Venom batteries, which are effectively the same power and length of use or run time as we get out of the H520, or we can use them to charge the Yuneec Typhoon H battery. But again, we cannot use the H520 battery in this charger. With that said, don't be surprised if Venom soon has an H520 charger available for it. Now, if I were to look at any particular drawback of this system, it does not give me information on what the voltage level of a given battery might be. That's probably the only thing I can find about this system that I don't love. I do like knowing what my battery voltages are, so I've got a small voltage checker that I use with these batteries before I put them in the aircraft anyway. You can pick them up for about $6, $7, $8 on Walmart.com or any number of other different sites. I highly recommend the Venom charger for the Typhoon H. Now stay tuned to SundanceMediaGroup.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information and to see more how we're using these in the field. Thanks for watching. I'm Douglas Spotted Eagle.